and welcome to today's Central Alabama Business Break. I'm Nicole Allshouse, joined by Linn, and we are talking today about Shipshape. Have you guys heard about it? Hello to you.
Hi Nicole, thank you for having me.
Tell me and everybody at home what Shipshape is.
Yeah, well, Shipshape is a technology that helps homeowners save money and save energy on managing their homes.
And you brought something with you today. Is this an example of what it is?
Yeah, I mean, the way it works is we could use a simple little smart plug like this and a sensor here. This sensor measures temperature, humidity, and water, and we can use this to connect almost every appliance in the house. So around here, a lot of homeowners have a sump pump down in their basement or a dehumidifier in their crawl space. If that equipment breaks down, it's very costly. Similarly, you might have a water heater in your attic or a refrigerator. So we hook up all these appliances and we give the homeowner something kind of like a check engine light. And when they need help, we're already connected to those businesses around town they depend on to help them. And with the touch of a button, we can get a trusted contractor or their utility or insurance provider to help them out.
What a big help. Why is now the time that people should consider Shipshape?
Well, right now, it's more important than ever because folks are struggling to pay their power bills. We're looking at a time where inflation has caused people to have to really question how to allocate their money. So people are tight on cash, and one of the biggest expenses in their life is their home. So if we can help them save a little bit of money on their home, one thing I'll tell you is for sure, during a recession, that water heater that's up in your attic, it's not gonna wait for the recession to be over to fall through and start leaking, right? And that damage it's gonna do in the middle of a recession would be much more painful to a homeowner than it would be otherwise. So now more than ever, people need help saving money on their homes.
And in closing, how do people reach out and contact you directly?
You can reach out to our website, www.shipshape.ai. You will be able to call us and get in touch with a friendly home assistant who's trained to kind of talk you through this and help you find the right solution for your home.